Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna continue working on part 9 of this house build. Let's get started. So in the last video, we were able to add in the room tags, and also we finalize the kitchen. And now we're gonna continue working on this. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to level 2, and then here what we need to do is to go to underlay and put range base level to level 1. So once you do that, we'll be able to see the layout below, and we'll be able to select that and type in CS, create similar, so that we could place it to level 2 as well. So that will be good, so that we will be able to add in furniture or fixtures that we already added, especially the toilets and the sink or vanity. So now let's select the exterior wall and then type in CS. So that's create similar. So what I'm gonna do first is select rectangle, and then from rectangle I'm gonna select from A1 up to G3, which is the one right here. And then from here we're going to keep on adding walls that will represent that we're trying to create here. So I'm going to select the exterior wall again, CS, and then from here I'm going to add roughly around 1000, and then pulling it like that. I'm just gonna go over a little bit onto this number 2 grid. So in total, I'm going to have it at 4760. And then we could TR, trim and extend. So next thing we're gonna do is we're going to focus the balcony for this part. So what we're gonna do is we're going to select this wall again, exterior wall, CS. This will be around, I'm gonna add this wall for now, and then I'm gonna mark it from this grid line. And it needs to be 2670. And then CS again, we're going to add this wall. So now we're gonna trim this, trim here, and then trim here. So we have our balcony right here, and then just select this wall, CS. We're going to add a wall right here. It will be 1560 from this wall, from this grid line. So this will be the washroom for this part, and then we will have a balcony on this area as well. So select the exterior wall, and then we're going to add the wall for now right here. I will have this one from here to be around from the grid line, actually. Needs to be on the grid line. 875. And then from the grid line for this one should be 1270. And then now we could just trim and extend from here. And then we need to add the wall right here first. So exterior wall, CS, CS, and then this will be roughly around this part. It is 500 from the grid line right here. And then now we could just trim and extend here. So now we have our boundary area. So that's our balcony. Now we need to select our interior wall. We could select it from the overlay, CS that, and then here we're going to add right here. This will be around 3200, and then going down, and we could just add another wall right here, and then we could just pull this one back. So it's basically a different wall intersecting. And then we could extend this wall all the way right here. And then we will have another interior wall right about here and then here. And then the dimension, we're going to base it from the number 2 grid line, which is this one. So here I'm gonna get this temporary dimension, and then I'm going to put in 860. So it will push it that way. I'm going to press escape multiple times, select this wall, and then this will be from the grid line again. And then to select the dimension, and this will be 550 from this grid line. So now it pulled it back. Now we could just trim and extend here. And then this one, we could pull this one all the way somewhere right here for now. And then we just need to add an interior wall for this. So AL, this is our stairs, and then TR to close it off. And then obviously we need to add an interior wall right here, going right there. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to add a wall right here, just staying there. Select this, and then I'm gonna grab this temporary dimension so that I could base it from here. This will be 390. So now I could trim and extend so that it goes around here. And then I'm going to have a wall going right about here, and then we could connect it. And then the wall again all the way right here, and then we could just trim and extend here. And then we're going to add a wall to enter from here. So now this will be bedroom number 1. This will be the masters. We'll create a family room, and then we're going to create a walk-in closet for the masters. So we're going to extend this wall now up to right here. And then let's select the same wall. And then we're going to add a wall right here. And then a wall right here. And then we're going to add a wall about here. So this will be the exterior part of the wall from this line. This is the line, the room separator that we created in the first floor, and this will be in the midpoint of that. And then this one, I want it to be added, but we need to add the wall right here first, separating this two from C, and then this one should be checked by the C grid line, and then this will be 610. It will go down, and then now from here I'm going to check this one. So I'm gonna move this one right here, and then this will be 3020. So we will need to push this one actually. So unjoin element, and then we need to push this one right about. It needs to be 160 from this grid line, the B grid line. And then here we could just extend this. And then let's select this, CS, add a wall right here. Let's check this. Should be 1560. So if it's not, just type it here. Your base should be the middle of this wall, and you want it to be 1560. And then from there, we could just extend this, and we could add in the door right there. Let's extend this. This is currently 1000 from that wall. So now we're going to just change this to additional 1200, so that will be 2200. There we go, 1200. And then just add a corner right there, and then use the trim and extend to do it. Let's just quickly grab the bed. So I'm going to add the bed right here. The sink, which will be right here. This will be the toilet. And then let's grab the shower so that we could turn on off the underlay so that everybody can see it properly. So I'm gonna go to press escape multiple times, and then go to your properties, and then look for underlay, and then put this one to none so that everything is clear and we can focus on what we have right now. we're going to have to create a closet right here. So I'm just spacing this out right now because I quickly added this so that we could turn on the underlay, turn off the underlay. We could hide this one on this view, so hide element, but on level 1 it's still there. So we just don't need that one anymore for level 2. But you could just leave it like that if it doesn't bother you, but I want everybody to see what we're doing. So here, what I'm gonna do is I'll probably going to just extend this one a little bit like that. Because I want to add the railing here instantly. So I don't want any gap. So railing here and then railing right here as well. We can pull this back now. So pull it back. I want it to be around here so that there's a good good space for the over so that we could go look here. And then let's finish off by adding the washroom first. CS and then the shower. CS here. And then let's space it out. This could be shower number 2. Duplicate this. And then you just need to look for the size here. So you want the depth to be 1600 and the width to be, make it 900 because we have some space right here. So now that fits. How about here? We could check the dimension so that it fits perfectly. Use your space order tab to change it. Edit, duplicate. This will be shower number 3. And then we have 1360 right here. So that's good. You can delete it now. And then let's add the shower or the washroom right here again. And then CS here, space bar. That looks perfect. You have a good spacing right here. Okay. And then we just need to add a division for the home office and then the family room right here. I want the family room to be around 5,000. So that's good. I just want to get the door. So what we could do is I just want to use the same door that we use on our level 1. So I'm gonna underlay that and then I'm gonna use this the same size. CS. This is 900. So I'm gonna use the 900. So let's remove the range. So none. And then here, let's use 800 instead here. 800 by 2000. And then 800 by 2000 right here. I think that's perfect for this one. CS again. We're going to add the door right here and another door right here. We need to move this one a bit to have some space. CS. Let's add it right here. The door. And then for the washroom, 700 by 2000. We're going to have that. Let's use the same one for the closet. Right here. And then right here. We're going to have the walk-in closet for the masters right here. And then we need to add a closet right here. Around 800 is good. And then let's look. I don't know if we have the sliding door or this. So let's go insert, load family, go to doors, residential, and then we have the sliding right here, open, and I'm going to get the 15 by 2000, 12 by 2000. I'm gonna add this. And then just add probably the 17. It's good enough. So I'm happy with that. Family room where we don't need to add any closet. This one it already have. So we're gonna stop here for now and continue on the next video. Thank you for watching and hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.